That wallet address might not be under your control at the moment, but hang tight. I'm about to lay out a step-by-step blueprint for pulling off a clean exit strategy that'll have you pocketing some serious gains. This method is so smooth, you'll be counting profits before you know it. All right, we're diving straight into the complete strategy, but real quick, if you're still messing around with pump fund launches, you're literally leaving money on the table. This is your moment to switch to the right method and start banking serious gains that'll make your head spin. Jump on Photon right now and set your filter to show only pump fund DEX listings. You'll immediately notice an endless flood of new meme coins popping up every second. Projects like Troll and Pizza come and go in a blink of an eye. The reality is, Pump Fund has become a total free-for-all, where any random person can spin up a token in minutes, which means the space is completely flooded with garbage projects that disappear faster than they appear. Now check this out. With our radium filter active, you can immediately see the difference. In the past 7 minutes, just a handful of coins, we're talking 7 total, have launched. And the crazy part? The buying pressure is through the roof. Just glance at those market cap figures compared to Pump Fund's joke numbers. Why? Because Radium's coding requirements automatically weed out all the lazy, low-effort projects. That's exactly why this is our platform of choice. Ready to see how it's really done? Let me put you onto something game-changing. Launch Tool is the secret weapon the pros don't want you to know about. This platform is straight-up revolutionary because it removes the biggest barrier to launching on Radium, coding knowledge. With literally just a few simple clicks, even complete beginners can have their coin live and ready to go. I've been running this play non-stop for the past 30 days, and I can confirm, it's like having a license to print money. Alright, I just grabbed this fire logo from Google Images. You know me, I'm all about funny trending stuff. Now let's hop into Canva real quick. We need to resize this bad boy to 128 by 128 pixels exactly. Make any little tweaks you want, just like I'm doing with mine right now. When it's perfect, hit save. Easy as pie, right? Alright, let's get rolling. First things first, open up Launch Tool in your browser. We need to input all our coin details, and I'll walk you through each step. For my project, I'm keeping it classic with Tung Tung POLICIA as the token name and POLICIA as the symbol. The description field is where you can have some fun. I'm going with La POLICIA is chasing Tung Tung Sahur because that perfectly captures the vibe. Once you've selected the logo file we designed earlier, go ahead and hit that next button to move to the token economics section where all the magic happens. The tokenomics here are actually perfect as they are, no need to touch a thing. That 1 billion supply is especially important for what we're doing later, so let's keep it exactly like this. Just click next and we'll move forward. Now we're at the creator profile section, but here's the catch. They want to charge us 0.1 SOL to make any changes. Let me be real with you. That's a complete waste of money. I'm immediately turning this off and hitting skip. As for social media links, totally unnecessary fluff. I've never bothered with this section, and I'm skipping it again right now. Moving on. Listen up. This next part is absolutely critical. If you mess with any of these toggles, you're basically sabotaging your own project. Here's why it matters. Disabling Revoke Freeze would let you halt all trading whenever you want, while turning off Revoke Update allows unlimited changes to your coin's details. Here's the cold truth. If potential investors spot that even one of these safety features is disabled, they'll immediately label your project as untrustworthy. And guess what? Zero trust means zero buy orders coming your way. Don't touch anything else. Just hit Launch My Token right now. Your wallet will pop up almost instantly. Go ahead and approve that transaction. See? Couldn't be simpler. Now you can verify all your token's details are correct. I'm going to check SolScan real quick to confirm. And yes, it's officially live on the blockchain. But hold up, we're not quite done yet. There's one crucial step left before people can actually trade this thing. Alright, next crucial step. Head back to Launch Tool and click that Create Liquidity Pool button. This will automatically redirect you straight to Radium's interface. First things first, ensure your wallet is properly connected here. Now the important part, we need to establish our meme coin as the base token. Just click on the token selection field, then quickly switch back to Launch Tool to copy your token's contract address. Come back to Radium and paste that address right into the search bar below where it says Select Token. That's how we'll pull up our specific coin. Now let's input all the correct details for our meme coin. For my example, I'm putting POLICIA in the symbol field and tung POLICIA as the full name. Just click Add User Token to confirm, then select your token again from the list. When it comes to the supply, we'll add 900 million out of our total 1 billion. That's the sweet spot for meme coins. Select SOL as your quote token. Here's the beauty. Since you're the first investor in your own project, you can safely max out your contribution without any risk. Every dollar you put in stays yours. Don't forget to account for that 0.2 SOL fee. Just subtract it from your total amount. For me, that leaves 0.18 SOL remaining. Make sure to select 2% in the fee tier section. Once everything looks correct, go ahead and click Initialize Liquidity Pool. Obviously confirm the transaction when your wallet pops up. Boom, pool successfully created, which means our coin is now officially tradable. If we jump over to Photon right now, we'll see our coin listed clear as day. Now that we've handled all that, let's pull up our chart and see what's happening. Alright, let's check our chart. Head over to dexscreener.com and click on any random coin from the list. Give it a moment to fully load up. Once it's ready, switch back to Launch Tool and copy your token's contract address. Return to DexScreener and replace whatever address is currently in the search bar with yours. Just paste it right in and hit enter. There we go. Our official chart is now live. You'll notice some small transactions down here already, but ignore those. They're just bot activity. We're waiting for that first real order to appear in the order book. So let's just wait and see. Hey guys, so I've been waiting for some time and I haven't seen this order. It's a $67 one, and in terms of Solana, it's 0.45. And yeah, it was placed 16 minutes ago. Hold up, I haven't seen this. This is a new order that was placed just about 30 seconds ago. I'm going to keep watching this a little longer because things are getting interesting. Check out these numbers. We're sitting at $560 in liquidity with at 500 market cap. But I can already tell these figures are about to climb if we're patient. Whoa! Another buy just came through 12 seconds ago. That's a solid 205 US dollars, or I should say 1.40 sol. Here's the crazy part. We haven't done any marketing whatsoever, and you can rinse and repeat this strategy endlessly. I warned you this method was next level. Hold up, our third buy order just popped up already. This is moving faster than I expected. Would you look at that? We're now looking at nearly $350 worth of value, which comes out to a clean 2.35 sol. Absolutely mind-blowing results. Check out how these numbers have transformed. Our market cap jumped from the initial 252 and the liquidity from $397 when we started. The craziest part? This pairing only went live 30 minutes ago. We've generated insane returns in what feels like no time at all. I'm completely satisfied with these gains, so I'm cashing out now. Want to do the same? Just open Radium, connect your wallet like usual, and hit that standard button you see at the bottom of the interface. And when you click standard, you will see your current position instantly. Alright, here's the money move. Tap that minus button you see on screen. Now grab the slider and drag it all the way to 100%. Just focus on the SOL amount, since that's your actual payout. Hit remove liquidity and approve the transaction like usual. Boom. Confirmation pops up, and just like that, the profits are officially yours. This is my favorite part. Open up Phantom Wallet and check your balance. Turn my initial $230 into a sweet $970 payday. But listen up, this next part is crucial. Full disclosure time. I've got zero affiliation with Launch Tool, Photon, or Radium. Everything I've shown you today is strictly educational to demonstrate what's possible. This strategy is absolutely wild right now, but windows like this don't stay open forever. If you're going to move, the time is 100% today, not tomorrow, not next week.